guys, it's Tuesday. It's in June. I don't know what day it is. What's today? What's today? No one even knows. I love it. You gotta ask. June 12th. I am sitting here reminiscing on the moments of our BMW R Nine T and the last moments we will share together. We just gave this bike away. We had a sweepstakes. If you guys didn't enter, you missed the boat. But we gave this bike to Joe Weeks out of St. Louis, Missouri. So he's taking our 2013-14 R Nine T off our hands. I'm really gonna miss this bike. It has killer suspension, ABS brakes, heated grips, a really nice motor gadget gauge, some cool stuff, some custom exhaust, custom tail section that actually goes with it, some other cool stuff we did. Anyway, it was really fun. While it lasted, it's not ours anymore. We gave it away. Alec is hi wiring up the Ducati. So I have a bone to pick with you.
Do it.
Someone sent me a clip of one of the dailies that was done while I was gone. Apparently, you were the two-eyed version of me, and you were in my bathroom.
That doesn't sound like something I would do.
You sure? It looked a lot like you. There's not a lot of guys here that look like you. I mean, some of them look exactly like you, but you know, it's easy to tell which one's you by the spot on your face.
Yeah, you know, I figured somebody had to keep the water going.
Were you dropping a deuce or just
washing my hands?
Someone said you were eating a meal in there or something.
Yeah, I had lunch in there a couple of times. I missed you.
You missed me.
I didn't want to go to your office because it's a little too personal.
So you hung out in my bathroom.
Mm-hmm. Your scent is in the bathroom. That's the thing.
I'm gonna start locking it while I'm gone.
Your musk.
My scent. I'm gonna lock it.
I missed your musk.
Did you smell the toilet lid? God, we could go on about this forever.
I can go on it for about another 20 minutes. Longest daily ever.
Let's go in there and do a daily in the bathroom. Okay, so
it's a nightly.
Talk to me. It seems like I've seen this bike before a few months ago.
Yeah, this is what actually part of one of the first dailies we ever did.
Was it really? It's been that long since you started this project?
Yeah, so about a month and a half before the Handbuilt show started, which was in April, we stopped working on a lot of things.
Yeah, a lot of
this
bikes,
being one of them. So actually today is the first day that I've touched this bike since before the Handbuilt show. It's about a month.
It's been that long.
Yeah, so
time flies.
Yeah, but I've made a lot of progress today. I'm actually getting pretty close to being done with the wiring.
So yeah, as a refresher, people, someone had built most of this bike, and they've got a lot of emotional attachment to it, but apparently the wiring was never just right. And so they brought it to us to have us completely rewire it. We built a bracket, put an LED headlight in it, new motor gadget gauge,
bars,
some bar ends, turn signals from motor gadget, some nice stuff.
Yeah, and so I'm making a harness for it right now.
And you're rewiring it. So you've been on it all day?
Yeah.
We got a motor gadget.
Yeah, we got the new M-Unit Blue on it.
M-Unit
Blue.
This thing. And you built these brackets too for all this too.
Yeah, this is all stuff that
we built.
Mm-hmm.
The coil packs and everything.
Gotta tuck everything away, try to make it as...
This blue tape will not be stained.
That's how I do it all.
You say blue tape.
Yeah,
the blue painter's tape is the
kind of
best.
laying it all out now. You obviously don't want to add the heat, bundle everything up too soon, because then you'll have to go back and do it all over again. So this is all, mock-up, basically making all the connections, adding loom and adding heat shrink where I can, but not heating it up just yet until I make sure that everything works like it should. And then once I know that everything works and we do a shakedown, then that's when I button everything up.
You've got nice waterproof plugs. Oh wait, that's a breaker? That's the main breaker?
That's the main fuse.
Yeah, that's the main breaker. It's a breaker, not a fuse.
That one's a fuse.
You fused this one, okay. Because we do sell these as breakers.
Yeah, correct.
We can use a breaker there.
Yeah, we can use a breaker, but that's a fuse.
What's this battery? Who makes this battery? Never heard of it.
Yeah,
MG. Is this one that he supplied?
Yeah, this is the one.
Okay.
But you know what's cool about this battery that I noticed is it's been sitting since before the Handbuilt show, and it's still got over 13 volts in it.
Well, maybe we should check into that.
I know. It's a good battery. I was really surprised.
So
yeah, a lot of good progress. I'm getting very excited about it.
I'm gonna look on this side.
And
I even like that you tuck the horn in underneath instead of it hanging out.
Yeah.
Down there, the way they do.
So this is all
going to look like it doesn't run when it's finished, which is kind of the goal, right?
That's kind of the idea. Like, where's the wiring? This thing obviously doesn't run, but it will.
It will. All right. Well, that's great. Good luck. When do I get to ride it?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Stay out of my bathroom.
No way, dude.
Andy! Andrew James Dio! Hey. Hi. What are you doing in here? Making a mess?
Stuff and things.
I see that you were doing a gassum tank
Yeah, working on
for BMW.
fuel tank for the BMW. I think we talked about this the other day with Alec, so we've discussed.
Oh, you
this
did?
bike.
In
Yeah.
your daily? Great.
Yeah,
you guys were just carrying on without me,
Oh,
so I don't know. It looks good. Oh, does it get covered? No.
No,
Because this didn't have this detail, the other tank.
It did not.
Well, why did we?
I don't know.
Did you take creative freedom?
I
and
did take a
decide-
little creative freedom.
That's not really the period. Whatever. We can hash this out later when they're not filming us. I mean, it looks nice. It's well done.
Yeah. I mean, it's not a. I mean, you can see the originals. The frame's not a faithful replica either. As the
I know,
tank,
but
so.
did you show that to Chris Davis
No, I
and the
didn't.
client? You might want to do that before you weld this together. Just saying. Just make sure the client likes it.
Yeah.
David might be. I don't know. He hasn't been that micromanaging on this project.
No,
Sorry.
he's actually been pretty.
He's not
pretty,
like me.
Pretty open to our inputs. So.
Okay. So talk to me. What have you been doing? besides that?
So really just working on this tank, trying to get it ready to put together, making parts. I've got a couple of small parts to machine still that I was working on earlier.
This looks good.
Yeah, that's a fuel drain,
Yeah.
petcock, mounting bosses. Dealt with this earlier. That was super fun. You see, this is a flange for
Yeah,
a
that's what you were making
for a
now.
Monza cap.
I
Yeah.
saw that.
Yeah. So
You got
this
hot
is
first.
What's
Did
that?
you anneal it? So that it
I
wouldn't
did.
ripple?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this was a part. This is something that I machined to
Yep.
plug in there, but to kind of recess this, make it look pretty, and also give this panel some strength. I made. I'd say that's little, but
Yeah, I was gonna say it's giant, dude.
yeah,
Like,
that's a die set for creating that flange.
so great. We get to start making these flanges now because you spent all this time making this tool.
Well, you know, the crazy thing is that it probably took me about 10 minutes to actually shape this into this panel. But if I would have done it by hand with a hammer, it would take several hours.
Yeah, I know. But I'm saying that we'd love to reuse this.
Oh, it'll definitely get reused. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, because we'll do more. I mean, we'll use those. We'll use that Monza flange again, I'm
You know,
sure.
you know what this reminds me of? This tank? The tank that I wanted to originally build for my Le Mans.
Oh, really?
Remember? You remember that?
I don't actually remember
I
that.
wanted a big square. Well, this is before you were shaping.
Bread box.
You didn't know how to shape.
Yeah.
So I was like, let's just build something. Let's just build something super straight with flat slides, flat sides.
Flat slides?
Flat slides with flat sides to go on my Le Mans, and we ended up just using the factory Le Mans tank, and you built that amazing tail section two or three times.
Well, yeah. Repaired. We'll just say repaired.
No, you built it 2 or 3 times.
No, it's the same one.
I know. I just meant that you had to
Oh,
rebuild it.
yeah.
'cause, yeah. Anyway, but yeah. So make one of these for Le Mans when you're done.
I'll get right on that.
Yeah, it'll just,
Top priority.
Yeah, it'll look awesome. I love the way this project's coming together.
Yeah, it's gonna be super cool.
More painter's tape. Painter's tape is the color of the day today.
Yeah, well,
Alex
it's,
using it over there.
So I don't know if we talked about this in the other daily, but
Here's what
we
were
talked about
trying-
preservations.
See, this is the part we should have been discussing. This was the tank that came with the bike, and that's why I was saying he's taking some creative freedom with where it's headed. The frame is a little different, so you can get away with a different sideline. But I really like this old thing.
Well, I think one of the important things. Excuse me.
Dude, it was even baffled inside for cornering and acceleration.
We are reusing this, and
Yeah. Okay.
the new tank has been designed.
To go with that.
To go with that.
Are you gonna click mount it, or are you gonna rubber mount it with a strap the way this was done?
It's actually a little bit more simple. It's 6 bolts
Okay.
because there's nothing you need to access underneath this tank.
Yeah, it's true.
So it doesn't need. I don't think it needs to be removed quickly, especially since it's not a real race bike.
Any longer.
Yeah,
I mean, it is a real race bike. It just won't be anymore.
exactly.
Something like that.
Something like that.
And I don't recall seeing the new carburetors, these new Dolordos.
Yeah, those are the actual carburetors that we're going to use.
Those guys, well, we can talk about that another time. When we bought these. Cool. Well, dude, it looks fun. It looks exciting. Everyone's asking, we need to do videos of teaching videos. Have you developed your curriculum yet so we can start? You're laughing like I'm kidding. It has to happen. Have you started?
No, I haven't.
All right, this weekend. You got to do it. You
Okay.
got to outline. Andy's going to teach you guys how to shape the way he does it. It should be interesting. There should be lots of cursing and beers involved. Right?
Not usually. Not at work.
Back in the day.
Not
I'm
at
talking-
work.
I'm talking about years ago.
Okay.
When it all began. Anyway, all right, cool. Good luck. I'm looking forward to seeing more.
Yeah, hopefully the tank will be together soon.
I'm looking at our secret project over there at Titanium.
Don't look at that.
Yeah, it doesn't. It's just a fuzzy spot in the corner. Oh yeah. All right. Let's wrap up this daily so I can go talk to Titanium about this secret fuzzy spot. Thanks, Andy.
Bye-bye.
All right, see ya. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell us you love us. Tell us you hate us. Get your hands dirty. Make something. Don't just watch us do it. Do your own thing. Love you, mean it. Bye.